Hello and welcome to this exciting video where we will be discussing 5 interesting and easy Arduino projects that are perfect for college students. Whether you are new to electronics or have been working with them for a while, these projects will not only challenge your skills but also offer you hands-on experience with the Arduino platform. So, let's get started. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on simple hardware and software. It's a great tool for students to learn about electronics, programming, and hands-on problem solving. And the best part is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. Project 1. RGB LED Controller. Our first project is the RGB LED Controller. This project involves creating a color-changing LED light display using an RGB LED and an Arduino board. With the use of potentiometers, students can control the brightness and color of the LED. The RGB LED controller is a great project to start with as it's simple and straightforward. It's also a great opportunity to learn about color mixing and how to control LED lights. Project 2. Line Following Robot. Our second project is a line following robot. In this project, students will create a line-following robot using an Arduino board and a few simple components such as IR sensors and motors. The goal is to use programming skills to control the robot and make it follow a line. The line-following robot is a fun project that combines electronics and programming. It's a great opportunity to learn about robot navigation and how to control a robot's movement. Project 3. Smart Plant Watering System. Our third project is a smart plant watering system. This project involves creating an automated plant watering system using an Arduino board, a soil moisture sensor, and a water pump. With the use of programming skills, students can control the watering system based on the moisture level in the soil. The Smart Plant Watering System is a practical project demonstrating the potential of automation. It's a great opportunity to learn about plant care and how to control a water pump using an Arduino board. Project 4. Automated Street Light System. Our fourth project is the Automated Street Light System. In this project, students will create an automated street light system using an Arduino board, light sensors, and LED lights. The goal is to use programming skills to control the lights and make them turn on and off based on the ambient light level. The automated street light system is a practical project demonstrating the potential of automation. It's a great opportunity to learn about light sensing and how to control LED lights using an Arduino board. Project 5. LCD Display Weather Station. Our final project is the LCD Display Weather Station. In this project, students will create a weather station that displays temperature, humidity, and pressure data on an LCD display. They will use an Arduino board, a temperature and humidity sensor, and a barometric pressure sensor to collect and display weather data. The LCD Display Weather Station is a practical project that demonstrates the potential of data collection and display. It's a great opportunity to learn about weather monitoring and how to display data on an LCD display using an Arduino board. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable, and that you'll be inspired to try one of these projects on your own. Whether you're looking to build your portfolio, learn new skills, or just have fun, these Arduino projects are a great place to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep experimenting and happy building.